Hello everyone, welcome to part 81 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt, here we are with our 81st principle in this series. And so what is part 81 all about? Well, this one is a little bit about pinning life down, but a little bit more since there's going to be some wrestling metaphors in this one. It's also though about having life respond to you. So I would say have it respond to you, not you responding to life, almost. Anyway, so our 81st principle about pinning life down and getting life to respond to you and not the other way around. So this one goes off this example he has of a guy's son who is a wrestler who, wants to succeed in high school or college wrestling, whatever the case is there. And he's only having modest success, even though he's a great wrestler. And so he looks into it and finds that, this guy's son basically is trying to always counter moves instead of going after it with an action plan. So he's always ready to counter whatever his opponents throw at him. And so instead, his father recommends to him, you know what, how about you go in with a set plan that you're going to do no matter what, okay? And this ends up working out for him very well. The basic idea here is that to go forward with an action plan no matter what, okay? So no matter if you're feeling right about it, no matter this, no matter that, within reason, okay? Like if suddenly, you're trying to compete in like a gymnastics competition, you have like 2 broken legs, then obviously you can't really get over that one. But within reason, okay, go after things no matter what life throws at you. A lot of people back down to things because they're like, oh no, it's raining today. Oh no, this little thing, I'm not quite feeling it today. And so they never really get started, they never really go after it. But the idea is basically go forward with an action plan no matter what and keep executing it. Keep going and keep going. Be persistent, basically. And to really go after it with an action plan, not to just kind of say, you know what, I'm going to counter whatever life gives me. If life gives me this, I'm going to show up with this. If people say this, I'm going to do this. Instead, go forward with your desire. Go forward with your belief in what you can do, okay? Now, you won't always succeed with this approach, but oftentimes going forward with going forward with a very simple plan, okay, that you're just going to go for no matter what, can make a massive difference, and you're not just countering life. Instead, you're often beating life in that case, if you look at it from that perspective. Anyway, that's about it for part 81. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with part 82, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.